Hi guys, today we've got this heatless messy updo hairstyle. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face, and I'm just going to section off the crown area of the hair and then just tie this into a ponytail at the back of the head with a clear elastic band. Grab some texture spray and apply it across the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then pinch and pull for a little bit more messy texture. Now take a slice of hair from the left hand side of the head and an equal size on the right hand side. Bring these together at the back of the head just to the right hand side of that little ponytail and tie them together with another clear elastic band. Add some texture spray to your section and pinch and pull to match the texture on top. Now we're going to take the rest of the hair from above the ear on the left hand side, and we're going to divide this in half and just wrap the sections around one another going towards the head to create a twist. Once you've reached the opposite side of the head, just secure it with a clear elastic band. Now we're going to add some more texture spray all along that twist and use your fingers to pinch and pull. Next, make a little hole on the top right hand side of the head and pass that twist through the hole, and then just pin it in place with a bobby pin or two. I've also slipped a bobby pin through the centre of the twist to keep it secure. And then we're going to get the same size slice on the opposite side. So take a nice big chunk of hair, split it in half, and again twist those sections towards each other to create another twist. Stop when you reach the left hand side of the head, and then all we're going to do is take a little bit of hair from the left hand side, join it with that twist and tie them together with another elastic band. Add your texture spray to your new twist and pinch and pull. Now we're going to get a section from the left and right hand side of the head. Bring them together and make sure you position them slightly to the right hand side. Pop your fingers behind the elastic band and pull the ends through to create a twist. Apply your texture spray and pinch and pull at that twist for more volume. Now we're going to take a thick section of hair from the right hand side and a thin from the left hand side. We're going to bring them together at the left hand side of the head and secure with a ponytail and pinch and pull to loosen up. Now we're going to take a thick slice of hair from that ponytail on the left side and a thin slice on the right side. Bring it over to the right and join them together. Again, pinch and pull for more volume. Now take a thick slice of hair from the ponytail on the right and a thin slice on the left. Bring the right slice over to the left hand side and join them together with another elastic band. Pinch and pull for more texture. And then we're going to do it one last time, so take a big slice of hair from the left hand side and a small slice from the right. Bring the left hand side over to the right and join them together. Loosen up by pinching and pulling. Now we're just simply going to do a 3-strand braid on the rest of the hair. Once you get to the end, tie it off with a clear elastic band, but only pull the ends part way through to create a loop. Now take this little braided sections and I'm just going to roll it underneath until I meet the nape of the neck, Then we're going to secure that bun to the head all the way around the outside using as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.